model, 68 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 Heavy L4H2 needs fuel pump easy repair rhino roof ladder rack Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 116,788. MOT, the 25th of September 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. This was running absolutely fine at one point, but engine cuts out. We found small metal particles in the fuel filter and now has low fuel pressure, starts perfect on easy start and was running brilliant when we bought it. Straightforward fuel pump replacement job, engine, gearbox, and clutch are perfect. Very clean van and will be an absolute bargain for somebody with no VAT.